From this equation, find out the value of x. How? First we can write x minus 8 this, and there we can write 8 this is, and now square of both of sides. So there is root and square is cut, so x minus 8, and there a minus b whole square formula. So this is the a square, so this is the 8 square, is, and this is 2, this is a, and this is 2ab, and this is the b square, so 8 root x, this is the square, and now there is x minus 8, and there is this is the 16 root, and this is the x, and now there is the x, and this is the x, so cut this and this, and there is the 8, and this is the, and there is the minus, and now there is the minus 72, and there is the minus root, and minus is cut, and there is the 72, and this is the 16, this is the root, so we cut this, so this is the 8 is 2, and there is the 9, so this value is 9 by 2, this is the, and this we can write this is, and square of both of sides, so square of both of sides, this is the x cut, so we can find out, and this is square is 20 is 25, and this is the x, so x value is this, and verify this, so we put x value is 25 and minus 8 root, and this is the x value is 5 root, so this is minus, so minus this is the 12, right, and this is the square of this, so square of this 5 and square of this, and this is the root, so root, and this is cut, and this is the 3.5 square of this root, and this is the 5, and this similarly cut, so there is a 3.5 and there is a 4.5, so value is 8 is proof this, so x value is this, is right.